Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my December Witch's Roots box. Yay! It smells so good. So excited. Ooh, passion flower. Pretty. So pretty. The Sacred Goddess. Alright. Check it out. Oh, I'm starting at this end. Whoa. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It's like the big one that I got months ago. It's so cute! Oh my goodness! I love it! It's so cute! Just like Baby Yoda. Smells good. Oh. Look at that. It sparkles. Interesting. We got a liquid. Oh, we lost a incense there. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, boop, boop. There we go. Alright. Sacred Goddess. I love blue jars. I love colored jars. Subtle. Perfumey. No, maybe floral. Passion flower, which I do not have. I have hibiscus. This is the little dropper. And this is a beautiful purple candle. Let me see here. What do we got going on here? Oh, look at you. So pretty. May the Lady of the Moon guide your way. Cool. Very, very pretty. Alright, let's read about this. The symbolism of the goddess resonates deeply within our practices and rituals, carrying with it very rooted meanings and resemblances. As we work with the goddess energy, we connect to all things around us on a deeper level, allowing us to truly use our emotions and love for all things to manipulate positive growth in every aspect of our existence. These sacred energies are created to assist us in becoming wiser and more in tune when working to make better decisions in our day-to-day lives, ultimately elevating us to a higher plane of being. We have created and sourced the items within this collection to bring you closer to the sacred goddess energy so that you too may walk a more vibrant and beautiful path. The magical items in this box are as follows. Passion flower. A soothing and sedative-like herb. Has many serene benefits. You can use it in herbal tea. It's known for relaxing anxious thoughts and bringing emotions to a more grounded state. Cool. Sacred Goddess Ritual Body Oil. Powerful formula. It's a soft, gentle, and vibrant energy for your aura. It also is a powerful formula to add strength and conviction to your perception as you set out upon difficult tasks and experiences. As you use this oil, visualize a blanket of protection covering your energy, providing you with a chance to be fearless in your endeavors. It's got jasmine, patchouli, and sandalwood, as well as jasmine and passion flower herbs. It's got the lightest touch magical oil from their personal cabinet. Royalty. Ooh, royalty. Mini spell candle. It's rolled with the intention of manifesting power, success, and guidance through your workings. The word royalty represents the energy the sacred goddess provides for us when we work towards connecting to the divine. Cool. Luna, ritual incense 6, lovely. Lady of the Moon pendant with chain. Natural purple shell box. This is so cute. We are thrilled to be able to include a natural purple shell box within this collection. Holding the energy of beauty within its structure, the shell box is a wonderful addition to any beauty altar. Place stones, tinctures, or jewelry within the box to charge them with feminine energy and instill prosperous and abundance intentions. Lepidolite. That's what it is, you little beauty. Lepidolite. I love lepidolite. It's so pretty. Calming and serene energies to your surrounding. And then the artwork. Beautiful month, this, guys. I'm just blown away by this adorable. Oh my god, guys. This. I mean, this. Isn't this adorable? It's so cute. You can put like this little rock in here. You can put this in here. Just like so cute. Or just whatever little treasures that you have. Maybe I'll put all my rings in it. I don't know. It is so freaking cute. I cannot wait to use it. I'm so enchanted. You guys know I love this box. You know I love the Witch's Moon. This is the Witch's Roots. Same company from the Witch's Moon. December 2019. I'll leave the link in the description bar below. This is an amazing value box. This box is $29 a month. You get a different herb every month. I've gotten it every month this year. This is my 12th box, and I absolutely love it. So please check them out. I love you guys as always. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.